Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Day Trading Recap, day 38. Yeah, day 38. Um, okay, school has just been really rough. This was the trade we should have taken today. I did not take it because I was watching it from like off market open, literally watching the trade on my phone, couldn't even get on my computer. And then I would have been willing to enter off this because we tap into the order block. I didn't know it at the time, but we also tapped into this fair value gap, which really, the thing is, if I only saw the order block right here, you would probably have stops right above this high here. But because price also tapped into the fair value gap, that would make you have to put your stops above the retracement confluence because any higher or any better stops would be less than one risk to reward. So this is the best spot you can put your stops at. You almost get stopped out. It misses it by about just one tick of price, or maybe like half a tick. That's insane. But yeah, anyways, price almost stops you out off like the first candle after entry. And then price literally reverses almost double that in the other direction. TJR entered all the way down here, which honestly, I'm not doing that like ever because that's just like really not a good trade to take because the risk is horrible. But really, what should happen here is, well, I was also thinking like if I lose on this because my stops are up there, literally you're just gonna take a second trade off this fair value gap, candle closure. This is as low as your stops can go, and then you would take this trade and take a 1-to-1 win, targeting London lows and then targeting Asian lows. So yeah, bias was shorts. We had manipulations of highs going into market open, and then off market open we manipulate even more highs. We manipulate London highs, which is really good for us. And then we use that as our bias. What we use that paired with our bias to enter off of a break of structure, retracement into an order block plus fair value gap, candle closure out of that, and then stops above the retracement confluence, take profit at London lows, take profit too at Asian lows. So, um, yeah. So if we were going to trade today, this would have been the trade to take. Unfortunately, we did not end up trading. It's just really annoying because I really wanted to take a trade because I really like this setup today. Oh, dude. But yeah, I might start doing London session because this is getting really annoying. I haven't taken a single trade all week since school started. What I'm gonna do now is try my best to see if I can catch a trade tomorrow in German 3. Um, and if I don't end up trading tomorrow or next week at all, then I'm going to switch to London session and start trading that. And to be honest, I might just trade both of them because of the fact that it's so difficult to focus and catch a trade in school because like you can't be on your phone. I can't go to the bathroom for longer than 5 minutes. Which if it was 10 minutes, that would be enough time to catch a trade because literally I'd be like, okay, I'm gonna go to the bathroom at 9:40. So then, because that's when I would actually trade. I don't trade before 9:40. Go to the bathroom at 9:40, and then from 9:40 to 9:50, I try to look for a trade entry. And if I can't find one, I'll just call it a day. Which that idea that I had would have worked, but I can only be in the bathroom for 5 minutes. And then they'll be like, oh, why were you in the bathroom for so long? Oh, bro, this is just so obnoxious. But London session is like really complicated. Like that would be so nice waking up at 3 in the morning, trading London session for like an hour, going back to sleep for an hour, waking up at 5, going to school, and then boom, you already traded for the day. You just have to go to bed at like 8 p.m., which isn't that crazy. It would be like now, I just go to bed like right now. But basically, the London session strategy is you mark out Asian highs and lows, and well, which is from 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. And then 12 a.m. to 3 a.m. is basically it's like London session pre-market. And if a key level gets hit during that time, you can use that as your bias going into London session. But if something else gets manipulated, you want to have London session override that bias, or whatever that manipulation was, override that bias. And then it's basically just like the same thing, break of structure, retracement, candle closure out of it. I haven't had a lot of time to do back testing on it, so Saturday, gonna do the recap of this week, all the trades I should have taken. And well, not tomorrow, Friday I still have another recap, and Saturday I'll do the weekly recap. And I'm gonna do a crap ton of back testing, figure out how to trade London session, and then after the next week, yeah, the week after this week, if I still can't trade in school, then I'll just go over to London session, which I'm kind of hoping I don't do because I'm pretty sure to trade London session, I need to trade 4X's, which is like Euro USD or, oh, jeez, bro, Euro USD or freaking Great British Pound USD. Bro, but like, this isn't that bad. There's so much volatility here. Dude, holy crap, is this London session? This is amazing, bro. Holy crap. I mean, it won't break yet, but get the entry right here. Just trying to see real quick. Okay, I'm gonna end the video. Yeah, subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more trading recaps. Leave a comment down below if you need help with anything trading related. And I will see you guys tomorrow for a trading recap day 39.